Yes, can you just give me your valuable add-ons, suggestion, and even thoughts, what you learned here today in voice modulation? So one by one, you just open your audio and speak.
Yeah, this is Pradeep Dubey, where I've attended Manjusha's voice modulation. I have a skill, I have everything. I come from a 22 years of background, but the softness which I had, which I wanted to express, which I got it through this course. And I'm confident that what I was, getting result 80%, now I'll be getting 100% through the voice modulation and the expression. So it was a fantastic course and everybody should do it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Next.
Yeah, there are a lot of things that we don't give that much importance, and one of those things was voice. मतलब हम बहुत ही कैजुअली बोलते हैं, कभी भी किसी के सामने प्रेजेंट करना हो, कुछ भी प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हैं ऐसा सोचते भी नहीं है हम लोग, जब जस्ट कैजुअली बोलते हैं. लेकिन अगर हम वॉइस के बारे में सोचे तो हम कितना इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं उसका एहसास हुआ ये कोर्स करने के बाद. और तब जाके हम अभी अभी सोचने लगेंगे कि यार ये भी है, इसके ऊपर ध्यान देना चाहिए, जो कि आज तक हम लोग ने नहीं दिया है. तो ये एक नया विंडो ओपन हो गया है थॉट प्रोसेस के लिए, एंड डेफिनेटली
So
दिस
much.
कोर्स इज गोइंग टू हेल्प.
So your profession, ये how you can connect?
मेरे प्रोफेशन में तो ज़रूर मुझे काम करने वाला है, क्योंकि जब मैं कोई चीज़ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टॉपिक्स जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रहा होता हूँ ना, तो काफ़ी बार ऐसा होता है कि मैं जैसे अभी रुका वैसे ही मैं रुक जाता हूँ कहीं तो वर्ड्स याद करने के लिए, कि मुझे कौन सा वर्ड है वो याद नहीं आ रहा है शायद उसके लिए, लेकिन सामने वाला शायद ये सोच सकता है कि ये खुद कंफ्यूज है और ये मुझे सिखाने बैठा. तो ये जो डिफरेंसेस होते हैं, बहुत ही माइन्यूट डिफरेंसेस, वो वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन से सामने वाले को समझ में आता है, या सामने वाला आपको जज करता है कि आप कैसे हो. वैसे ही उसी मॉड्यूलेशन को यूज करके मैं सामने वाले को ये दिखा सकता हूँ कि मैं कौन हूँ, भले मैं नहीं हूं तो भी. ठीक है, तो ये बहुत ज्यादा समझने वाली या इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन की, जो मुझे समझ में आई है और मुझे अभी उसके ऊपर काम करना है. और मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस, क्या गारंटी है 100% कि ये जरूर मुझे मदद करने वाला है फ्यूचर में, और मैं ये आगे कोर्स करने वाला हूँ.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Next.
Shall I
So,
go? Okay.
okay, yeah,
Asma,
sir. You
please,
can go, then I'll go.
please, Asma, continue.
Okay, so my name is Ashna Khosla, and I came into this course because I knew that I have the ability to modulate my voice, but I didn't have that much of a confidence that I will excel in this field as I wanted to get into this field. But with ma'am's guidance, I feel more confident about myself, and I have learned lots of tricks that I can also use. Like, for example, I never knew that, enhancing vocabulary also helps in this field, and the fact that doing Om can help your voice quality. And I think these two are two big things that I will take away. And I'm really, really, really glad that I went ahead and took this opportunity to join this course. So I'll always be thankful to Manjusha ma'am, and I would like to take this relationship forward and be connected with her. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Love you.
Love you too.
Yes, next.
Thank you, Manjusha ma'am, for such a wonderful session that we had with you. We just enjoyed it. I personally loved the Bollywood dialogues that we narrated, and that we understood where and how impactful we can be. The techniques that you taught us for enhancing our voices, or the modulation, or the impact that we can create, were wonderful. And I will definitely practice them. And lots and lots of learning has happened in these 2 hours. They were really an investment for me. And I really loved the way you have taken the session. Very, very inspiring. Lots to learn from you, ma'am. Hope I take this knowledge and create a difference in my personal and my professional life. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, Madam, thank you very much. The session had been really great, and I can feel you pour out your heart for this session, into this session. It seems like for you, 2 hours just fly away like anything. So probably this session should be minimum 4 hours. I mean, there are lots of things to learn from you. And one thing which I had been missing throughout my career, especially through presentations and you see communications, was the voice modulation. So thank you very much. You shared very critical inputs, and now I know what I need to do. So I can talk, I can present, I can, you see, modulate my voice during my trainings, my presentations, etc. So it was a great learning from you. Thank you very much, and my gratitude to you. Thank you.
Yes, thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you,
much.
Manjushra. Thank you, Manjusha ma'am. Thank
2
you very
घंटे में
much.
खड़ी रही, वो अच्छा लगा, तो आगे से अब आप भी खड़े होंगे, वैसी थोड़ी पोजीशन रखेंगे, अरेंजमेंट वैसी करेंगे. So we can use our hand, face, body movement, we can dance, and then you will enjoy more.
Definitely.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank you.
Waiting for your
And,
homework.
I
Yes,
also
ma'am.
would like
Yes,
to
yes.
mention that we had a group, lovely group. We were 5, and the group energy was wonderful. So thanks to all the participants as well. They were amazing.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Monica.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Thank you, everyone.
Even आपने एक दूसरे का एनालिसिस भी करके एक दूसरे को हेल्प की.
Yes.
एनालिसिस करने का तो मेरा रोज का काम है ना.
आप फंडामेंटल एनालिसिस करते हो, यहाँ पे
नहीं.
कैरेक्टर एनालिसिस की है.
मैं टेक्निकल एनालिसिस
टेक्निकल
करता हूँ.
एनालिसिस करते हो, यहाँ पे आपने कैरेक्टर एनालिसिस की है, पर्सनालिटी एनालिसिस.
वो आ जाता है ना,
Enjoy?
इनबॉर्न हो जाता है. मजा आ गया.
एंजॉय.
Yes, yes.
चलिए,
Thank you.
thank
Thank
you
you
so
very
much.
much once
Enjoy
again.
your Sunday.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was an enjoyable evening.
Thank you. अब रेन
Okay,
एंजॉय
ma'am.
कीजिए.
या भजी खायला इकडे या. घरी भजी
हा.
बनवली, पाऊस तिकडे पडतोय.
हिरवी मिरची आणि भजी. Yes. Thank
Wow,
you.
so tasty. हमें भी खाना है सर, हमें भी बुलाओ.
आज मैं भी वो ग्रुप पे गूगल लोकेशन मैप वो भेज देता हूँ, लाइव लोकेशन नहीं, करंट लोकेशन. आ जाइए.
चलिए, okay.
बाय बाय.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
थैंक यू.
Bye.
थैंक यू.